Good day everyone! In today's video, what I'm going to show you is how you can create a bootable flash drive using Rufus. The first step is the most crucial part is downloading Rufus on the Rufus website and then install it on your computer. As for me, I have already downloaded it on my computer, so I will not going to show you the process on how. Find the Rufus on your desktop and then click on it. After clicking, you will be routed to the page where you can see the different format options that you can use in creating bootable flash drive. Obtain the bootable image file of the operating system you want to install or use. This can be an ISO file for Windows or any other operating system. As for me, I'm going to use the file for Windows. And then click Start and then OK. Let's just wait to copy this, and just to remind you, this may take several minutes. After it's done copying, we can now move on to the installation of OS.